Everyone thinks the Israel-Iran conflict started recently, but the truth is, this war actually began more than 4 decades ago, and for most of that time, the world barely noticed it. Because this wasn't a normal war. For decades, Israel and Iran fought a shadow war, not with tanks, not with armies, but with spies, cyber attacks, and secret operations, assassinations, covert strikes, cyber warfare, all happening quietly behind the scenes. Until recently, missiles, drones, air defense systems. Now the hidden war is becoming visible, and the world is suddenly paying attention. But here's the strangest part of the story. Israel and Iran were once allies. So how did two partners become enemies for life? That answer begins with one event that changed the Middle East forever.
Please like, share, and subscribe Wisdom Waves OG for more such videos.